Welcome, and thanks for joining me to make this November calendar. It is a simple little calendar that actually was pretty quick to make. On the front here, of course, I have my title page so I can see what the date is. And this is a fall leaf theme calendar, and it has a little bit of bugs and friends along the way. Feel free to draw along with me or just watch and enjoy. Choose some ideas. Either way, I'm glad you're here. I'm your Doodle Dragon, and I always like to share a little bit of my life and doodles with you. I sketch ahead and make very simple doodles throughout, and I just have a week on every set of pages this month, and I'm using the same colors over and over to do all of the pictures. And then the boxes I thought would be fun if I put them in all different colors. So it's sort of bright and cheery. I hope that comes across on the video. In case you're interested in trying these are the Tombow dual brush markers. And this is the thick side. And for the thin writing, I just used a Sharpie. But these are kind of nice. They're almost like a paintbrush tip. And so you can control the thickness, or if you do calligraphy, they're great for calligraphy. Also, it's kind of interesting about these that once you color something in, it keeps adding color over the top so you can see your lines. If you want a solid color, you have to go over it a couple of times. And you can see where my pen meets. I have a little bit of a darker spot. So here I am doing the mushrooms. I did not color over those because mushrooms have stripies and so do snails. But you can see in the next page where I do go over the top of the ladybug a couple of times in order to make sure that it is colored in as one color. Now with this wheat, I just kind of went over it and one time, and again, I didn't think it particularly mattered how even it was, but with the ladybug and then with the leaf too, you can see how I went over a couple layers. Now I've been erasing throughout this entire video on the page with you, which is not something I always do, but I just thought I'd leave everything on here and just give a little bit of speed and a little space as for you to look at things as I grab the different tools I'm using. If you're a friend of the channel and you're interested in letting me know what you think about this type of editing, it is a little different than what I usually do, and I always love to hear your feedback. So I'd be interested in whether you prefer this or whether you prefer the little bit more tightly edited, but doesn't show you the little glimpses as much between where I am drawing. So I had a lot of fun with this video, and I hope you enjoyed joining me. This is the final page before my gratitudes, which I always try and have some gratitudes to make sure that I'm stopping to take a little time every month just to be thankful and grateful. I am grateful and thankful for you, and I hope that you find time in your busy schedule to take a little bit of time out to just have some fun and do something you enjoy. And maybe even share it with someone you like. So here it is, the final share out. The November page, here's week 1, followed by, of course, week 2. And then we have week 3. And the final month of November. It's feeling a little bit like holiday colors coming in, and I am thankful and grateful to you. If you want more content, please like and subscribe, and then we can share it out with you and others. Have a great day. See you next time.